Natural forces like wind and water are constantly shaping our environment. The process of these forces wearing down and transporting materials like soil, sand, and rock is called erosion. It may not be obvious day to day, but the form and shape of streams are always changing. The natural cycle of erosion cuts away at both the stream banks and bed, deepening and widening the channel. When fast-moving water carrying eroded material from upstream slows down, the material settles on the stream bed and banks in a new downstream location. This is called aggradation. Eventually, the stream forms new, low-sloping banks and grows new plant life, stabilizing the stream before the cycle starts all over again. Over time, this process can transform small streams into massive valleys and canyons. However, in heavily urbanized areas like cities, stream erosion can occur at an unnaturally fast rate. Instead of soaking into the ground, rainwater directly runs off impermeable surfaces like roads and rooftops into streams. This causes fast-acting erosion and disrupts the natural cycle by preventing banks from healing after being eroded. Excessive erosion caused by runoff destroys habitat for critters like fish and benthics by filling in pools and covering rocks with sediment. Damages property and important infrastructure, like underground sewage, water, and gas pipes, and disrupts the natural stream cycle by making it more difficult for banks to heal and new plants to grow. Luckily, there are a few things you can do to help reduce runoff and protect your streams. Choose native plants. Native plants have deep roots that help absorb extra water, including runoff. Don't mow all the way to the edge of the stream. Streams need trees to keep the stream bank stable and strong. Install a rain barrel. Rain barrels collect runoff from your roof, and you can save it to water your garden later on. Learn and teach. Watch more of our videos and teach others what you learn so that they can help too.